Ms. Thomas, does that work, that email?
I got it. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
All right, good morning. Today is December the 9th, 2024. I'm Judge Case Johnson. When I call your case, please make your announcements. Kiara Adams.
Good morning, Your Honor. That's a waiver only this morning.
Oh, okay.
Is it waiver or behavioral health court?
It's accountability court, but it's still a waiver only. There's no bond associated with it.
All right, John Black.
State will be ready.
Pre-trial, Judge.
Maximilian Boykin.
State will be ready.
That defendant is bonded out, Your Honor. Good morning.
All right, so Deputy, do we have Boykin in custody?
Hang on 1 second. Let me
right.
check. See. I don't have a Boykin on my list.
Okay. All right, so that's out to bond. Jaquavius Brown, Attorney Robinson, that's going to be a hearing?
It is going to be a hearing, Your Honor.
All right,
Thank
is
you.
the state ready on this one?
State will be ready on me, Tom.
Okay. Jakayla Bryant.
Officers logged on, state's ready.
Fleet County South.
I'm sorry, say that again.
State will be ready, Your Honor. The officers logged on.
Okay, all righty.
I need to hold on that one, Judge, and speak with Ms. Bryan again.
Okay, so I'll put down as a pretrial. Philip Cartledge.
That's a bond waiver this morning, Your Honor.
Okay. James Kaylor, and that's Attorney Roman.
Yes, it is, Judge. If you could hold, I'm working on something with the state. If you could just hold for my announcement.
All right, I put it down as a pretrial.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Davion Currington. Davion Currington.
I don't have that one, Your Honor.
That's ex Xavion.
Yes, Your Honor. Currington, this is Ashley Johnson Alford on behalf of Mr. Currington. I would just need to chat with ADA Thomas about this one.
Who is this again?
Attorney Ashley Johnson Alford.
Ashley, okay. I put it down as a pretrial.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Is the state ready?
State will be ready, Your Honor. I don't show him, but that doesn't mean he's not on here. Is the
All right.
person Alfred?
Yes, it might be on there in error, Ms. Thomas.
What, the case may be on this calendar in error?
Yes.
Why? Why do you think that?
We previously spoke about this one, me and ADA Thomas. I just wanted to clear up why it was listed on the calendar with bond conditions. So this might be a quick one for you, Your Honor.
All right, you guys can talk and see if you can get it worked out.
Your Honor, that case is already bounded over to Judge Carter's courtroom.
Oh, okay. Does it have a case number?
No, Your Honor, just a TS number.
Okay.
It was scratched out on my calendar, Your Honor. I believe it was bound over.
All righty. And so, Ms. Johnson Alford, if you have no further business, you're free to go.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. Duncan Ernest? Duncan Ernest?
Yeah, I have a Tavon Duncan.
Trayvon
Trayvon.
Ernest Duncan?
Yes, Judge.
That's yours, Attorney Lewis?
It is, Judge. We're announcing
Okay.
pre-trial.
Pretrial, all right. Is the state ready?
State will be ready, Your Honor.
All right. Evans Dwight?
Your Honor, is that Jumanji Evans? Is that there's a court show?
Sorry?
That? A Jumanji?
Just have Evan Dwight.
There's
Do
a
you guys
Dwight
have
Evans
something
and a
different?
Jumanji Evans.
Say that again?
There is a Dwight Evans and a Jumanji Evans.
Dwight Evans, I believe, was bound over, looks like.
That's what
Bound
you
over?
indicated on your calendar.
So it's bound over. Do you see what day it was bound over?
I don't have that on my calendar, Your Honor. I just have a notation that it was transferred over.
Bound over to Superior Court?
Yes,
Or, okay.
and then I have Jumanji Evans.
Yes, Jumanji is next. Raymond.
State's ready, officers logged on.
Okay.
Pre-trial, Judge.
Say that again?
Pre-trial.
Pre-trial, okay. Garrison Montavious?
Mr. Garrison advised that his family hired private counsel.
So is he saying he's not willing to speak with you?
Well, I can if they hired. So when I went to see him, he said Attorney Kathy, but he didn't have any other name. And I'm not familiar with an attorney. I don't know if that's first name, last name.
And what was his name?
This Attorney Kathy.
Kathy?
Right.
You know, they say that, but and sometimes their family tell them that, but it doesn't happen. I guess you can, because we don't have an entry. Yate, do we have an entry on this person?
And now, Your Honor.
Okay.
Your Honor, would the court like to inquire of the defendant what he may or may not know about this?
Yes, I that's what I was about to announce, that we will, I'll bring him up later. But if not, it'll be Attorney Pleasant. And he can decide whether he want to move forward today with Attorney Pleasant or he wants to just continue his matter so his attorney can appear. I'll let him make that choice.
Based on the nature of the charge, it would have to be continued so I could have a conversation with him, Judge. He's charged with murder, so I wouldn't be able to go forward
Oh.
today.
Okay, so y'all want to continue that? I think that it's January the 6th that we're continuing cases too.
But I just need to make certain if the judge can still inquire, because I don't know
Okay.
if his family's hired or not, if they need more time or what's going on, if he has further information since I've spoken to him.
All righty. Aguilar Gonzalez, Jose Douglas.
State's
It's for, state is ready.
Hold for report, Judge, waiting on interpreter.
Oh, we need the interpreter?
Yes, ma'am, requested and approved, and your staff is already checking on it.
All right, great. Sachnell Henderson, Julisse.
State will be ready, Your Honor.
Okay,
Consent bond, Judge.
that's gonna be a consent bond. Thank you. Demetrius Jackson.
State will be ready, Your Honor.
Okay,
That's a pre-trial, Judge.
free trial. All right. Jamari James.
Your Honor, this is, the attorney in this case is Tiambre Calland. I received an email with her requesting a reset. She has a conflict. That's exactly what it says.
She should have filed her conflict. What was her name? Spell that.
Teombre. Last name Calland, Calland.
Okay.
She is saying she has a conflict this morning. She's scheduled to report in Fed in Superior Court at 9 a.m.
Okay, I'll continue it to 1/6.
Okay, she's requesting reset. Thank you, Your Honor.
Yeah, so this is gonna be attorney conflict.
Yes.
Kalonda Jones.
Your Honor, it's my understanding that's a consent bond.
It is a consent bond waiver this morning.
Okay. Jabari Jones.
State will be ready.
Okay.
I think it's gonna be a hearing, Judge, but I'll double check this morning.
I'll put down hearing. James Kelly.
State will be ready.
And Your Honor, Mr. Kelly was not brought over when I went for my visit, so if the court could hold, I need to speak with him.
Okay, I'll put it as a pre-trial. Christian Lee. Christina Lee.
And I believe that's, wait a minute. I don't have a Lee. My next one is
That
Lily.
one shows, Your Honor, out to bond.
Lee is out to bond.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, so Deputy, do you have Christina Lee?
No, I do not, she's not.
Okay, all right, out to bond. Michaela Lindley.
State will be, oh, yeah, that one is a consent bond.
A consent bond.
Correct,
Who's
Your
the
Honor.
attorney?
Sydney
Who's the
Pleasant.
attorney? Okay. Mhm. McGee. Dwayne McGee.
State will be ready.
Pretrial judge.
Okay. Tariq Mix.
State will be ready.
Pretrial judge.
That's Lewis. Okay. Howard James II.
State's ready. Officers logged on.
Okay. Who's the attorney on this one? The defense attorney?
Attorney Pleasant.
I'm sorry, Your Honor, I need to speak to Mr. Powell, give him an updated offer.
Okay. All right, pretrial. Royal Carlos.
State will be ready.
Okay.
I need to hold him, speak with him with the interpreter judge.
He needs an interpreter. Okay. Lakeil Scott.
State's ready. Officers logged on.
Pretrial judge.
Ashley Scroggins.
State's ready. Officers logged on.
Pretrial judge.
Shannon Nicole.
Excuse me, Your Honor?
Nicole Shannon.
And I think that might be another.
Sequoia Nicole Shannon.
The calendar says it was bound over to state court, Judge.
Mhm. Okay. I skipped Talante Searcy.
Yeah, that one was, I think she's out to bond.
I'm sorry.
Out to bond, Your Honor.
Out to bond. Deputy, do you have Mr. Searcy?
Mr. Who?
Searcy? Talante Searcy?
No, we don't have any.
Okay. All right. Thank you. Dontarium Sims.
State will be ready.
And I need to speak with Mr. Sims, updated offer.
All right. Jasper Smith.
State will be ready, Your Honor.
Pretrial judge.
Bernard Steplight. I'm sorry. Donna Spittle. Or Spidell.
State will be ready, Your Honor.
Okay. Who has this case?
Your
Your
Honor,
Honor, our
that's
calendar
the-
indicates it is the misdemeanor. It's in state court.
You said it's a misdemeanor?
That's what the calendar indicates that was sent to us. It's in state court.
Okay, we'll take a look at that one.
Your Honor, my calendar doesn't say that, but she's represented by Lister Holton Dennis, which is the state court.
No, that's state court.
Yeah.
So it was just placed on the wrong calendar, you think?
I think so, Your Honor, because she's just charged with misdemeanor obstruction. I don't see anything else with it.
Okay, all right. Asmaya or Bernard Asmaya Steplight?
Your Honor, that might have something.
Say that again?
That one fills out to bond, Your Honor.
Out to bond?
Yes.
All right, Deputy, we don't have a step light? Deputy?
Yes, Your Honor, I'm looking.
I'm sorry?
I'm looking, hang on 1 second.
Okay, all right. All right, so Nicola Stitt?
No, we don't have a step.
Okay, that's out to bond, thank you. Nicola Stitt?
State will be ready, Your Honor.
All right,
I need to hold on that one and check with him again, Judge.
okay. Strotter Wayne? Artie?
State's ready, officers logged on.
And that was a hearing at last check, Judge.
Okay. San Jaquez Antonio?
Yeah, I believe that it's going to be a request for reset by the defense.
That's correct, Your Honor. I am asking for a continuance this morning.
Is that good? What was the reason for the continuance?
Further investigation by the defense.
Okay. 1-6?
Okay.
Okay. Mhm. Jamal Walker?
State will be ready.
Pretrial judge.
Retrial, all right. Daku Akabar Walton?
Yeah, I don't think something going on with that one.
You say something is going on with it?
Yes, ma'am, I need to double check something.
The calendar says that it was indicted on November 20th.
It was indicted, Your Honor, with the court like the number
Yes.
2024
Mm-hmm.
CR
Mhm.
03046. It's assigned to Judge 11, which I think might be Judge Mack, but I could be wrong.
All right, great. And then Jahakbar.
Yes.
Oh, that's the same person. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Jeray Williams, Cortez Jeray Williams.
State will be ready, Your Honor.
Okay.
That may be a hearing, Judge, but I may have to speak with him again this morning.
I put him down as a pretrial. Tunia Shabria Williams.
State's
Attorney
ready.
Flynn?
Officers logged on.
Okay.
We're ready on that case, Your Honor.
Okay, so that would be a hearing as well.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Noah Jamara Woods.
That's the bond waiver this morning, Your Honor.
Bond waiver, okay. All right, that concludes the
Your
call
Honor-
of the calendar. Uh-huh.
You missed Gardner.
Yeah, I was gonna ask you.
Sorry.
Okay, hold on. What, Gardner? What's that first name?
Roshunda,
I have that down as state court. Is that an error?
we're just pointing out to the court that it was missed, and then we'll get to that part, but are you showing that on your calendar, Judge? Because she's also scheduled tomorrow. She's 2 misdemeanors from what I'm able to observe.
Let me-
And I think this one was separated and placed on the wrong calendar.
You said she is on tomorrow's calendar?
Yes, Judge.
Okay,
So this warrant could be added to that warrant tomorrow.
so this bond is, so just placed on the misdemeanor calendar.
Yes, Judge.
I have a question about that one.
Uh-huh.
Charged with battery, but it doesn't say family violence, but she does have a previous battery family violence conviction. That might be why they separated them, but I'm not sure about the battery itself. So if the court is inclined, because it does not say that this incident was actually a family violence event, we can go ahead and send it to put it on the state court calendar. I just wanted to bring that to the court's attention.
So, Yate, can you please just take a look at that
I'm checking now, Your Honor.
and see if it's the same if it's the same, incident date? And let me know whether it should have been placed on the misdemeanor calendar or the felony calendar. All right, any other names I missed? All right, let me go off YouTube.